What if the most dangerous time for your heart isn't when you're stressed out at work, but when you're fast asleep? It's a chilling thought, but it is a hidden reality for millions of people. Many individuals have great, even perfect blood pressure readings at the doctor's office, yet they are unknowingly at a high risk for a heart attack or stroke overnight. This all comes down to a silent, often undiagnosed condition known as non-dipping blood pressure. To understand this danger, we first have to appreciate that our bodies operate on an internal 24-hour clock, a concept known as the circadian rhythm. This internal clock governs nearly everything, from our sleep-wake cycles to our hormone production and, crucially, our blood pressure. For most healthy individuals, blood pressure follows a predictable daily pattern. It rises in the morning to prepare us for the day's activities, and then, as we wind down and fall asleep, it should take a significant dip. Normally, your blood pressure should drop by about 10 to 20% while you sleep. This nightly dip is profoundly important. It's a period of restoration, giving your heart and blood vessels a much-needed break to rest and repair from the daily grind. But for a substantial portion of the population, these individuals are called non-dippers, and this critical drop just doesn't happen. Their blood pressure stays elevated, sometimes as high as their daytime readings, all night long, putting a relentless, hours-long strain on their entire cardiovascular system. This is the silent problem that a quick, single blood pressure check at the doctor's office can easily miss, creating a false and dangerous sense of security. The consequences of this unrelenting pressure are serious, significantly raising the long-term risk for strokes, heart attacks, heart failure, and chronic kidney disease. But there is good news. A fascinating and growing body of research shows that simple, intentional choices about what you drink before bed can make a significant difference in this dangerous pattern. In this video, we're going to reveal simple, doctor-recommended drinks that can help protect your heart while you sleep. And you'll definitely want to stick around for the #1 most effective option, which has clinical data so compelling it rivals some prescription medications, and it's something you can try as soon as tonight. Let's imagine a man we'll call Mr. Antonio. Like a lot of folks his age, Mr. Antonio was careful about his health. He dutifully took his prescribed blood pressure medication every single morning, watched his salt intake, and his daytime blood pressure readings were always in a healthy range during his checkups. His doctor was pleased. And yet, Mr. Antonio lived with a quiet, nagging fear of not waking up in the morning. This fear wasn't just anxiety, it was an intuition about a danger he couldn't see. He was a classic non-dipper. While he slept, his heart was secretly working overtime every single night without a moment's rest. His blood vessels were under constant, unyielding pressure, even as his mind was in deep slumber. This is the scenario that leads to a terrifying statistic. The majority of catastrophic cardiovascular events, like heart attacks and strokes, happen in the early morning hours, often concentrated between 4 and 6 a.m. This isn't a coincidence. It's the time when the cumulative damage from hours of non-dipping blood pressure collides with the body's natural morning surge of stress hormones, like cortisol and adrenaline, which are released to prepare you for waking. For a non-dipper, this creates a perfect storm inside the arteries. The real issue, the one that keeps this condition so perilous, is that non-dipping hypertension often goes completely undiagnosed. Standard checkups, which measure your blood pressure at a single point in time during the day, cannot detect this nocturnal pattern. The only way to truly know if you're a non-dipper is through 24-hour ambulatory blood pressure monitoring, or ABPM, where you wear a cuff that automatically takes readings for a full day and night. Without this, you might think you're doing everything right, that your hypertension is perfectly controlled, all while a hidden danger is lurking during your most vulnerable hours. So how can you begin to break this cycle safely and naturally? How can you support your body's innate ability to lower its blood pressure overnight? Stay with me, because the solutions are simpler than you might imagine, and they're probably already in your kitchen. We're about to get into the first of our doctor-recommended bedtime drinks. This first drink might surprise you with its simplicity, but the science behind it is incredibly solid. It's something many of us grew up with as a comforting bedtime ritual, a warm glass of low-fat or skim milk. This humble drink is a cornerstone of the DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, a nutritional plan that has been scientifically and repeatedly proven to help manage high blood pressure. The DASH diet emphasizes high intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and, crucially, low-fat or non-fat dairy products. So, how does a simple glass of milk work its magic? Low-fat milk is a powerhouse of a trio of key minerals: calcium, potassium, and magnesium. This team of minerals works in synergy to support your cardiovascular system, especially during the restorative hours of sleep. Calcium is absolutely vital for the proper function of your blood vessels, playing a critical role in helping them contract and, just as importantly, relax in a smooth, coordinated manner. Magnesium actually acts as a natural, gentle calcium channel blocker, helping to relax smooth muscles all over your body, including those that line your arteries. Then there's potassium, which is a superstar when it comes to blood pressure. It helps your body balance its sodium levels, encouraging your kidneys to excrete excess sodium, which in turn eases tension on your blood vessel walls. Drinking a glass of low-fat milk about 30 to 60 minutes before bed can help provide your body with a steady supply of these crucial minerals overnight. This promotes what's known as vasodilation, the widening of your blood vessels, and helps ensure your system isn't under constant, unrelenting strain. Multiple studies have shown that regular consumption of low-fat dairy is linked to lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of hypertension. Research highlights that low-fat milk can contribute to lowering both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. For those who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options, don't worry. Unsweetened, fortified almond or oat milk can offer a similar mineral profile, particularly if they are fortified with calcium and vitamin D, and may provide comparable benefits in supporting nighttime blood pressure control. The key is to ensure they are unsweetened to avoid the negative effects of added sugar. Now for our second doctor-recommended drink, a classic, time-honored remedy for relaxation, chamomile tea. This is so much more than just a comforting floral brew to sip before bed. Its benefits for your nighttime blood pressure stem from its powerful ability to help break the vicious cycle of stress, poor sleep, and hypertension. Stress is a massive driver of high blood pressure. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline that make your heart beat faster and cause your blood vessels to tighten and constrict. For many of us, that stress doesn't just vanish when our head hits the pillow. It lingers, replaying the day's events, creating anxiety about tomorrow, and physically preventing that natural, restorative dip in blood pressure. This is precisely where chamomile tea comes in as a powerful ally. It contains a unique antioxidant compound called apigenin. Apigenin acts like a mild natural sedative by binding to specific benzodiazepine receptors in your brain, the same receptors targeted by some anti-anxiety medications. This interaction helps to calm your nervous system, reduce anxiety, and gently nudge you toward a state of sleepiness by helping you fall asleep faster and, just as importantly, achieve a better quality of sleep. Chamomile directly combats a major trigger for high blood pressure at night. Poor sleep quality and duration are strongly associated with a higher risk of hypertension. But the benefits don't stop with sleep. Some research suggests chamomile also possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect the lining of your blood vessels from damage. It may also help with cholesterol and triglycerides, which are other risk factors for narrowed, hardened arteries. And because it's naturally caffeine-free, it's the perfect evening beverage that won't disrupt your sleep architecture. A warm cup of chamomile tea about an hour before bed isn't just about the cozy ritual of relaxing. It's an active step toward calming your overactive nervous system, allowing your heart rate to slow, your blood vessels to relax, and your blood pressure to finally drop to a safe, restorative level overnight. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number one most powerful, doctor-recommended drink to help manage your blood pressure while you sleep is beetroot juice. This vibrant, earthy drink is a true superfood for your heart, and the science behind its effects is incredibly compelling and robust. The secret is its ridiculously high concentration of natural dietary nitrates. When you drink beetroot juice, a remarkable biological process begins. It starts in your mouth, where beneficial bacteria on your tongue convert these nitrates, NO3, into nitrites, NO2. This is a crucial first step. Then, when you swallow, the acidic environment of your stomach further converts these nitrites into a miracle molecule called nitric oxide, NO. Nitric oxide is one of the most potent vasodilators produced by your body. A vasodilator is a substance that tells the smooth muscles lining your artery walls to relax and widen. Imagine your blood vessels are like congested single-lane highways. Nitric oxide acts like a master traffic controller, opening up new lanes, allowing blood to flow freely with much less force and dramatically reducing the pressure exerted on your artery walls. The results seen in clinical trials are nothing short of astounding. multiple studies have shown that daily consumption of beetroot juice can significantly lower systolic blood pressure. That's the top number in a reading. Reductions can range from 7 to 12 mmHg in people with hypertension, an effect that is on par with some single-drug antihypertensive therapies. Research from the University of Exeter highlighted how this process gets a boost from specific bacteria in our mouths, which kickstart the conversion of those nitrates, and that this effect was particularly beneficial in older adults. Some studies show the blood pressure lowering effects can begin just a few hours after drinking it and may last for up to 24 hours, making it perfectly suited for a pre-bedtime routine to cover the entire night. A trial published in a prominent hypertension journal found that just over 2 cups a day, 590 milliliters, led to a sustained and clinically significant drop in blood pressure. For the best results, current recommendations suggest aiming for about 1 cup, around 250 milliliters, of pure beetroot juice, with no added sugar, approximately an hour or two before you go to bed. This timing helps the nitric oxide levels in your blood to peak right around the time your body needs to initiate that crucial nightly dip in blood pressure. But a critical word of caution is in order. Beets are high in compounds called oxalates. If you have a history of kidney problems, particularly calcium oxalate kidney stones, you absolutely must talk to your doctor before adding beetroot juice to your routine, as it can be an issue for susceptible individuals. Just as important as knowing what to drink is knowing what to avoid, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime, as some popular evening drinks can be downright dangerous for your blood pressure. First on the list is grapefruit juice. While it contains some potassium and might seem healthy, grapefruit juice can be extremely hazardous if you're taking certain blood pressure medications, especially a class of drugs known as calcium channel blockers, which includes common prescriptions like amlodipine, nifedipine, and felodipine. Grapefruit contains compounds called furanocoumarins that block a key enzyme in your liver and intestines called CYP3A4. This enzyme is responsible for metabolizing and breaking down about half of all medications on the market. By blocking this enzyme, grapefruit juice can cause the levels of medication in your blood to skyrocket to potentially toxic concentrations. This could lead to an unpredictable and sudden, life-threatening drop in blood pressure while you sleep. The effect is not trivial and can last for several days, so you can't just space out your medication and the juice. Second, and this may seem counterintuitive, is alcohol. A glass of wine or a beer might feel relaxing and even cause a temporary, slight drop in blood pressure initially. However, alcohol has a well-documented rebound effect. As your body processes it overnight, it triggers an increase in heart rate and a surge in hormones that cause your blood vessels to constrict. Studies show that even moderate drinking before bed can disrupt sleep patterns and significantly raise your blood pressure in the vulnerable early morning hours, placing you right back in that high-risk window for heart attacks and strokes. Finally, and this one surprises a lot of people, is licorice root tea. It's often marketed as a soothing, sweet, caffeine-free bedtime tea. However, it contains a powerful compound called glycyrrhizinic acid. This compound can cause a dramatic and dangerous spike in blood pressure. It does this by inhibiting an enzyme in your kidneys that deactivates cortisol. This allows cortisol to run rampant and act like the hormone aldosterone, causing your body to retain sodium and water and lose potassium, a condition known as pseudohyperaldosteronism. This effect can be so powerful that it can completely counteract the benefits of your prescribed blood pressure medications. Always check the labels of herbal tea blends, as licorice root is a very common ingredient used for sweetness. Tonight, you have the power to take a simple, proactive step to protect your heart while it's supposed to be resting. We've talked about 3 powerful, evidence-based drinks that can help you manage the silent threat of non-dipping nighttime blood pressure: the mineral-rich foundation of low-fat milk, which supports the DASH diet's principles; the calming power of chamomile tea, which soothes the nervous system to allow sleep and pressure to drop; and the #1 vasodilator, beetroot juice, which uses the nitrate to nitric oxide pathway to actively widen your blood vessels. Remember, this information is about empowering you with knowledge, not about replacing your medication or your doctor's advice. It's about complementing your prescribed treatment plan with natural, scientifically backed lifestyle strategies. True, effective health management is always a team effort. It's about combining smart dietary choices like these bedtime drinks with consistent physical activity, dedicated stress management, and most importantly, maintaining an open and honest conversation with your healthcare provider. Never make significant changes to your health regimen without consulting your doctor first, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are taking medications. By understanding the hidden dangers of the night and taking these small, consistent steps, you're not just managing a number on a cuff. You are actively investing in a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. For more evidence-based health tips to help you take control of your well-being, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an important update. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.